is Lovelies. Today we are back once again on your screens, and we are going all the way to the northern part of Ghana. Do you know why? Because Cooking with Sindako took us all the way straight up to Tamale, inside Amina's kitchen, the ethnic restaurant. That's where Cooking with Sindako took us to. So we want to make a reaction on this video, so we watch the video. After that, you have something to say.
So Lovelies, let's watch the video.
Is it like a prepresa kind of?
So I was trying to mention a prepresa.
Okay, so this is Tamil prepresa. Wow, but look at that. Man, I dare you to try this food. I dare you. Man, I urge everyone to try this food. Wow, this is unbelievable.
So we are back. So mommy, how's the video?
Hey! This video,
You have a lot to say, right? Yeah, I could see you are shivering. What's really happening?
This video took me back.
In fact, when I was watching the video, I was also thinking way back when I was a kid. I was memorizing a lot of stuffs. But you have to start before I follow because you are the elder,
It made me remember my great-grandmother, everything, because this thing is just a simple meal called Yanmoda.
Wow.
Yanmoda in Tamale language, I don't know, in Ghana. But in my place of birth, we call it Jample.
Wow. And the Akans call it Apeprensa. Wow. Yeah.
And in fact, it was so, I don't even know the adjective to use.
Yeah. Mommy is speechless. You are speechless now. Okay.
Speechless. And it brought some tears of joy when I was watching that video. Because the whole thing was easily prepared using simple ingredients.
Wow.
Shea butter, then herrings, pepper, onion, tomatoes.
Keep going. Wow.
And the setup. It was super. I love the local kitchen setup.
Me too. I have a lot to say on that.
And
I really have a lot to say on that.
It made me so excited that I found myself in it, cooking, and then because that's my number one.
Yeah.
I love those kind of things. And so the shea butter they use also helped me remember that shea butter is very, very good. It's not a refined shea butter. It's a natural shea butter that improves the heart health and it lowers cholesterol. Those are the fats we should be taking in. And it is important. Shea butter is important for our overall health.
Wow, that's fine.
So if we want to maintain our overall health, this is the time we need to go in for.
And what I also know is like it has an anti-inflammatory properties, that improve our skin and it soothes the skin and stuff.
Can't you see Amina?
Yeah, wow, Amina is looking fresh. I could see how her skin is very smooth and stuff, And it could heal cuts and scrapes as well. So shea butter has a very good health benefits that we need to continue using this kind of oil in our or butter in our daily lives. It helps.
Then the herrings.
Wow, that one too.
No meaty.
Nah, there's nothing like meat in the video. It was so simple.
Yeah.
And
the meal was simple and I loved it. And you can cook this. We can say it's a fast food.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the herrings, we know herrings are rich in omega-3 fatty acids.
Yeah.
So I think it brought back memories. And this is what we have been advocating for.
Yeah, sure.
Then after preparing that simple meal, look at how
they served it. That's something to mention about.
Another thing.
They served
that
it
wowed me.
In a calabash, but not just calabash. They placed leaves in the calabash.
In the leaves, and then put it in the calabash. The water was on calabash.
Yeah.
The water was in a calabash.
Yeah.
Everything was traditional, local.
Very ethnic. Very ethnic, yeah. And I love the way they garnish the food with the shea butter on top of it. It was very beautiful, you know, locally prepared apeprensa, Yanmoda. That's what the northern part of Ghana is. Yanmoda, that's what they call it. So but we call it jenkple, and the Akans call it apeprensa. So that's very fun. But I want to say something about the kitchen setup. It was very, very ethnic, you know. Calabash, everything was wooden. There's nothing like metal. And the fire that they prepared the food onto, it was not gas, but it was charcoal with this local pots that we call mepli. Like, it was very, very, very emotional. You know, I was just memorizing. I was like, wow, it's as if I'm still in the village. And it's very beautiful. Even
some of the village, like Sindako was saying, we have left behind all these traditional things and we are chasing after the indomies, and our children are going to miss a lot.
That's
what
do you
think?
That's very bad, you know. We need to go back, you know. Sankofanya bone, Sankofa inchi, you get that. You know, Sindako age mazinate. My also in you want to so like that's why he's a fan. So I just want to appreciate what he did. Going way back there and going straight to the Dudugu show. The ethnic kitchen restaurants at Tamala's kitchen, it was so beautiful, and keep it up, you know. We really love what you are doing, and you know, you are preaching good living and good healthy living. Ed varieties, we say 100%. You did a great job over there.
And I want to say a very big thank you once again to Sindako for going all out to give us just that. So our young ones, you remember Marcus P was even asking me that, Mommy, Grandma, this is what we need. You see. And there was no politics.
Nothing like. I never saw anything of that.
So kudos to Amina. Those who will be coming to Ghana, if you happen to travel to Tamale, just check her out. You know, Mommy, the meals are simple.
Tamale is a very beautiful town.
Yes,
very beautiful town. You know, I've once stayed in Tamale. I told you about Tamale is a very beautiful town, and the people are very lovely and stuff. So I'm just happy Sindako went all the way there, and he brought us something epic that we need to also inculcate, you know. It's very fun.
So to continue keeping our body and mind to function properly, we need shea butter in our diet.
Shea butter. Yes, it is.
And these days, oils are very
the most funny thing is when it's in the Hamatan season, we use shea butter, we smear it for our skin. And after Hamatan season, we just ignore it. Why can't we continue using it in our daily lives, both in cooking and even on our...
So let's leave the refined oil. Now, like Amina said, everything is refined. Refine this, refine that. So, in fact, Amina, I love you. Yes, so go check our main man, Sindako channel, Cooking with Sindako, and then you are going to watch the full video and you'll be excited what we have as Africans, what we have as our older men, how they lived. They were able to live so many years and they live a healthy life. So let's leave all these refined things, putting things in plastic, cooking in plastic, using plastic cups here and there for hot food. No. Amina. Sindako, thank you. So viewers, lovely viewers, this is where we are ending our video. If you don't have us, why are you waiting? Just give us that thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, comment and share our videos if you like it, so that this is going to motivate us to keep pushing. So until then, we also urge you to go check Sindako once again. If you happen to be in Tamale, why not visit Amina's restaurant?
And don't forget, good living, exercise, take a lot of water. It helps.
So see you in our next video. Bye.